Just 1 minute, guys. Hey guys, what's up? Mizahanas here. I got a little package here, and yes, I am deciding to do unboxing videos. This package is from Chino, California. Wait a minute, before I decide to use that, so can I actually tear it into it with my own fingers? Yes, I can. Alright, what we got here is the SQ8 Mini DV camera, Full HD, 1920 by 1080. Alright, and let's see here. Let's read on the back of the box. Relevant parameter. MJPEG, which that's good. I can actually record YouTube videos with this. Battery capacity 200 milliamps an hour. Working time about 100 minutes. That's about almost 2 hours. Battery type high power capacity polymer lithium. Charging voltage DC 5 volt. Well, TV out by TV out line to connect the machine and TV surveillance video. Built-in lithium battery can be continuously can continuously record for 100 minutes. All right. Video, PC camera, record, meaning voice, audio, take pictures, motion detection. If I'm correct, it also has a night vision mode. Because the one I bought is supposed to have night vision. So let's go ahead and open the box. Oh, opened it the wrong way. Alright. Chinese. Here's the English side. On/off key is 1. 2 is the mode key. 3 infrared lamp. So yeah, this does have night vision. Product features. It doesn't tell you how to use it. Oh, wait a minute. 720p with no flash. I guess without the night vision. TV out mode, connect USB TV line. Yeah, the Chinese English is badly, portrayed. Open, closed. Open, go any standby mode. Press hold the on-off button for 2 seconds. Under the red light flash 2, for a night vision lamp open. Can see video. Alright, well, that's That's instructions. Let's get all of this over here. I want to damage the camera because it's so small. Nicely wrapped. If I can get it open. Oh wow, that has a nice bit of weight. On-off mode. Don't know if you guys can see this, so I'll bring it up close to the camera. That, hang on a minute, let me get the light on here. That right there, my friends, is the SQ8 on-off button. I'm getting out of focus. On-off button, mode button. I was supposed to have a indicator light. Oh well. But that's a SQ8. Very, very small. So, yeah. Time for me to test it out.